Hi, this is Mike Wallach, and I want to show you how to save time with mouse gestures in SOLIDWORKS. Just right-click and drag in the graphics area, and the mouse gesture guide appears on screen. The guide is a ring divided into equal segments. Each segment has a different tool available that you activate just by moving the cursor to that segment of the ring. So I can very quickly, here in the assembly environment, go to a right view or a top view, left or bottom view. In order to use the gestures, I need to either right drag in the graphics area where there are no models underneath my cursor, or I can hold down the Alt key over a model in order to still access the gestures. I can also change the number of commands that are available on the ring. So I'm going to right-click in the menu area, go to Customize, and to the Mouse Gestures tab. This shows us what tools are available in each of the four environments. We have the part environment, the assembly environment, sketch, and drawing. Gestures are enabled by default, and we can go down to 2 gestures, vertical or horizontal arrangement, or 3, or we can go up to 8 gestures, or my favorite, 12 gestures, because more is better. This allows us to have 12 commands available right by the cursor, easy to access at all times. Big time saver if you get used to using them. Now, another thing that I can do here is customize the tools on the ring. I'm not stuck to what's here by default. So in the part and assembly environment, the trimetric view is available in the 1 o'clock position. But I would really like to have isometric available too, and it's not here. Redo is here on the 10 o'clock position, but I don't really use redo very much. I use isometric all the time. So I'm going to search for isometric, there it is, and just drag it and drop it into the 10 o'clock position there and there. Now, when I go back to the assembly, I can easily go to a trimetric view or an isometric view whenever I want. So let's take a look at another environment. I'm going to go to the drawing that's already been started for this assembly, and I'm going to add some balloons. I'll add a balloon for that part and that part. Okay. Now I want to add a model view of the housing assembly. This is going to be an isometric view. I'll drop it right there. Okay. Now I want to go back to the assembly, and I want to make a change to this part. And here I'll go to a right view and start a new sketch on this side. Okay. I want to sketch a circle somewhere right about here. Dimension it. This is going to be a 1/2-inch hole for a cable. Put it around here. Uh, 1.25 is fine. All right. I'm going to go ahead and exit the sketch and do an extruded cut. Up to next will be fine. Now I can exit back to the assembly environment. So once you get comfortable with using mouse gestures, you can save a lot of time. Enjoy!